Anchenghardware Products Co. Limited is a professional manufacturer specializing in the and production of stainless steel buffet products and commercial kitchen equipment. Established in 2000, the company has over 20 years of experience and has become a trusted supplier in both domestic and international markets. Located in Jiangmen City, Guangdong Province, the factory is 10 to 15 minutes from the Jiangmen Light Rail Station, offering convenient transportation. With a modern production base of 60,000 square meters and over 300 employees, Ancheng operates with advanced equipment and intelligent production lines to ensure efficiency and product consistency. Our product range includes buffet chafing dishes, serving plates, workbenches, sink counters, wall-mounted racks, and trolleys, widely used in hotels, restaurants, catering services, and commercial kitchens. We support OEM and ODM services, allowing flexibility for clients seeking customized solutions. Ancheng has earned BSCI, ISO 901C, NSF, and ROSE certifications, reflecting our commitment to international standards, responsible manufacturing, and strict quality control. We are known for our reliable quality, reasonable pricing, timely delivery, and attentive service, which have helped us build long-term partnerships with clients in Europe, North America, Southeast Asia, and other regions. We sincerely welcome customers from around the world to visit our factory, explore business opportunities, and work together for mutual success in the kitchenware industry. Ancheng, your reliable partner in commercial kitchen solutions.